housekeeping is not just about cleanliness but also order, hygiene, safety, and security, the kind that protects everyone in our school environment. Housekeeping security refers to the overall safe and secure ensure learning our school environment that protects us to all of students and teachers. Our school is a place where hundreds of people gather every day life. Gather every day in a central space organized the housekeeping contributes to overall security of the school. Clean and controlled clean space reduce the risk of injury alone to evacuation during emergencies to help of notice. Use activity or the items that do not belong in a post-pandemic world. Cleanliness is no longer just about academics, it is about health and survival. Different classroom, cleaning, restrooms and maintaining hygiene, canteens dirty influence our brain living. Thank you for listening my words. Not word for me. My name is Alvin Pawar. My symbol is garland and my